Ciao! It's our second day in Venice, and we are going to check out the waterbus today. We told that it's the best option to get around the city. It's very convenient and the least expensive. So let's go. So we are walking to the waterbus station now. If you haven't bought your ticket yet, you can buy them at one of these ticket booths. It's really easy to use. You do have the option to select English for the language, and you can pay for your ticket with your credit card. So it's pretty awesome. Once you have your ticket, you will have to validate your ticket before boarding the water bus. All you have to do is just tap your ticket on one of these machines and you're good to go. Let's go check out the water bus station. Looks like there are 3 water bus lines at the station, and we're boarding the number 1 line because Google Maps told us to do so. About the ticket prices, the cheapest one you can buy is the 75 minutes ticket for 750 euros. However, I suggest you buying the all-day tourist ticket because that gives you unlimited water bus ride for 1 to 7 days. The 1-day ticket costs 20 euro each. A 2-day ticket costs a little less at 30 euros. A 3-day ticket costs 40 euro, and the week-long ticket costs only 60 euros. So basically, the longer you go, the cheaper it gets. If you have any kids under 6, they'll get to ride the water bus for free. So that's pretty cool. Wow, check out that view. It's so beautiful here.